Today we're going to learn how to do a shingle repair. We have to repair this roof because of wind damage. First you want to pound all these nails down. You want to break the seals around the areas so you're able to slide the shingles underneath. These tar strips on the shingles, once the sun hits them, even on the top of the roof, it activates that and it all melts together. So once you get everything finished up, you get your tube of caulk and you want to spend a few extra bucks at Home Depot. Don't get the cheap stuff, it's your house. We're going to reseal the shingles.